Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the voice chat volume on Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game and then get to this homepage, and then from here find the settings icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen and select it. And then from the menu that appears, click on settings. And now from here, you should use the RB or the LB button and go to the audio section. And then within the audio section, scroll down and find the voice chat volume. So from here now you can use the arrow keys, the right arrow key or the left arrow key, to either reduce the volume, voice chat volume, or increase the voice chat volume. So that's basically it. And once done, simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.